Hey guys, do you know you can earn more than $1,000 if you have an email list of 10,000 people? But the question is, where do you find the email list of the people who are concerned with the topic? And the second question is, how can you earn money? So don't worry, I'll be answering these both important queries step by step in this video. So keep watching the video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, if this is your first time here in the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that I can notify you the next time I come up with a new video and you don't miss anything, because I publish regular content about driving traffic to your website organically as well as making money online. So guys, let us start first. Let us understand what this concept is all about. How can you drive more than 10,000 visitors to your website, or you can monetize it? So guys, the process that I'm going to share today with you is called as email scrapping technique. So guys, before understanding what is email scrapping technique, you have to understand what is email marketing. So guys, email marketing is something when people have the email addresses of their subscriber or of their followers, and when they publish a new content, what they used to do, they used to share the or they used to send a mail to their subscribers or followers asking them to read their blog post. That is called as email marketing. Now the question is, if you don't have a big database of the email addresses of your followers, of your subscribers, how can you notify these people that you have written a high quality good blog post? Don't worry, I hear you. I'll show you my step by step process by which, even if I don't have any subscriber or any follower, still I can get the email addresses of all the people who are interested in your list. So for example, let us understand that you are writing blog post about travel, about traveling. Now what you want is, you want to share email to the people who are interested in traveling to of a particular location, saying that, boss, I actually written a high quality article on the top 10 places in Europe that you want to visit. If you are interested in traveling, that is the first thing that you want to do, right? Then only there is potential chances of that 10% of the people will click on your mail and then read your blog post. That is what you want. Now for to do this, you need two things. You need the email addresses of these people who are interested in traveling, and the second thing is that you want to tell them that, boss, I have written a high quality blog post. So how to do it, I'll be telling you when I take you to my laptop screen. The second thing that I'm going to explain to you today is, even if you don't have a website, forget about everything. Imagine you don't have a website, you don't write articles even, then also how can you monetize it, and how can you earn more than $1,000? So guys, keep watching the video, because if you stay towards the end of the video, I'll be sharing a process by which I'll guarantee you can earn money by simply following some basic steps and tools that I'm going to explain to you today. So guys, let me take you to my laptop screen right now, and I'll tell you what is my email scrapping technique and how it will benefit you to drive traffic to your website, or you can actually earn money by doing these steps. Let us get started.
Alright guys, so I'm in my laptop screen right now, and to get the email addresses, actually we need four important things. So I'll discuss all of them one by one. Just to give you a summary, we need four things. First thing is, we have to identify which platform we are looking for. So the people's email addresses that we will be collecting are active on facebook.com. These are the people that we will be looking. You can change this. You can add linkedin.com or any other medium. This is basically the website where we will be adding where we will be searching the email addresses. The next thing that you need is the niche that you will be looking for. So in this example, I will look for food bloggers, or I'll just change it to travel bloggers. Basically I need travel bloggers email addresses who are in facebook.com. And then the third thing that you need is the location of the people that you need. So in this example, I want to search for the people who are active on New York. So the location would be New York. You can change this to Chicago or London or anything else, whatever you want. And the fourth thing and the important thing is that you need to search for particular email addresses. So you can search for email address like gmail.com or hotmail.com, whatever you want. So these are the basically four things that we need. So we basically need people who are active on facebook.com, who are travel bloggers, and who are staying in New York and having a email address of gmail.com. So I'll just copy and paste this particular link to the description. You can just go ahead and check the description, you'll find it, and just copy and paste it in your browser and save this. I strongly recommend to save this thing, because this is basically a matrix, and there are chances that you will do mistakes, something like this. If you see, after facebook.com there is a space and then there is a semicolon, so if you do one mistake, then the results will not appear. So I strongly recommend you to copy and paste it rather than type it. Fine. So guys, once you do it, you just do in your search bar, you just do all the modification, like if you want to change anything like LinkedIn and your niche and your city and the city you are looking for, the people's email addresses and email address of the people that you're looking for. So guys, once you do that, you will have a lot of result, something like this. I'll just refresh it so that you'll not have an idea that it is some copy paste or something else. So guys, if you see, I just refreshed it, and these are the people, those are fitting in the criteria that we are looking for. So if you want to see, you can do that. If I'll click on in any of the link, it will appear. Yeah, if you see, this particular person is the New York food blogger. She's having her Facebook page and profile details and everything here. So guys, the problem is, if you want to go and search for each email address, it will take a lot of time for you. We don't want to spend that much time. So to do that, now what we have to do, we have to activate one extension in the Google Chrome browser. If you are using a MacBook, then you have to use Google Chrome. So like I am doing it in my MacBook, I am using extension, I am using Google Chrome, because this extension only works in Google Chrome. So you have to go to Google Chrome extension and you have to search for instant data scraper extension. Once you search for it and activate, then you will find it in the extension bar, and then what you need to do is, actually you have to run this extension, right? So once you run it, you will have all these details copying in a Excel format. So you see, this column particularly resembles all the profile links, and then the email addresses, and then their activity details and everything, the city that they are working in, everything you will be getting in an Excel format, and then you can download it as XLSX format, and then yeah, that's good to go. So this is one thing, guys. Now the problem over here is, if you want to find the email addresses, which is our goal, is a little bit difficult, since we just want some clicks so that we can get it immediately. So but here we have to search a lot. So to do that, what we need to do is, you just go to the search thing first page and then press Ctrl A. Oops, wait. And then you just select everything, copy everything, and then you have to search email extractor in Google, and then you will have this page. Anyway, I'll just put a link to this page in the description. You can just go ahead and click on it, and you'll land in a page something like this. Then you have to paste it, whatever you have copied. So simple, you have to just select everything, copy everything, Control A, Control C, and you just have to paste it, and then you go ahead and search for extract mails. What this will do is, this tool automatically extract all the email addresses and remove everything else. So you see, now I am getting all the email addresses of these people, and directly, and what now I can do is, I can just copy paste it and send my mail to these people directly from my mailbox. It's very, very simple. Or you can add it to your email manager software if you are having. So guys, you see, it is very, very simple. Now you just have to copy it, paste it, and you can get the 100 or 200 email addresses within minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes. So guys, as I have promised to you, what I'll show you now is, if you don't have a website and if you want to earn money online, how you can do it. Now to do that, we have to go to a website called fiverr.com. So guys, I think a lot of you already aware about you know Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is like one of the platform where you will be people sell their services basically. So what they basically do is it is a biggest kind of platform for the freelancers who can offer their services to the business owner. So what is happening is actually there are a lot of people who want a lot of different kind of services. Somebody wants website designing, somebody wants some other freelancing work, and then they come to Fiverr.com to find the freelancers who can do the same, who can do this work for them, and then they are very happy to pay the money. And that is where you come into picture. What you need to do is you have to go to Fiverr.com. If you don't know the website, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can just click on the link and you can make your profile. It will hardly take 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You can make your profile, and once you do that, then you have to create a gig. Now guys, let me tell you what is a gig. So email scrapping, this is the service that we have just learned. Now we have to find customers to whom we can sell this service. You have to do this particular task for the people and then earn money. So you have to create your gig to sell this job. So if you see, these are the people who are selling this service. So this particular person who is selling this service is charging 1992 rupees. So I am in India, so that is why it isn't showing in rupees. So roughly it will be around $25. Now this activity that we have done is hardly taking 5 minutes, and you can charge around $25. This people is charging around $5. 399 rupees is roughly around $5, and this is like $10. So you see, even if you charge $5, only $5, you can earn $5 for working just 5 minutes, guys. It's awesome. And at the same time, if you want traffic to your website, you can do the same, and you can create a gig. Actually, if you don't know how to create a gig, you simply have to, you can click on any of the people's profile, and then it will show their gigs in detail. Then you can copy paste. I'll not say copy paste, you can just replicate. You can get inspired by all these things. Like you have to create something like this, some of the basic detail of your company, what is the hours you are working and what is the rate you are charging, different plans they are having. These all things are self-explanatory. Actually, I don't have to show you everything. You can do it, and if still you cannot understand, you can just leave a comment or question in the description, in the comment section. I'll make sure I reply to your comment, and then you can go ahead, click your gig and start earning, guys. So this is very very simple yet very very powerful tool. I strongly suggest that you take action today, start doing it, and you can start earning by this process. All right guys, so that's it from me for today. You let me know what are your views in the comment section. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, keep earning, keep learning.